like one of
I
those
think
sitcoms
3.5.
you like rewatching. Like you don't love it
Yeah,
anymore,
yeah.
but it's like, हाँ ठीक है, familiar है, funny है, देख लेते हैं.
It's a very nice comfort watch. Exactly.
Yeah.
For me, I liked the song, and at the same time, it was so funny. Just you see you react to it every time it was coming. So I guess I will remember Manwan Age for one more reason. और DDLJ में होना तो मैं पहले भी बोल चुकी थी.
कब बोल
तुमने
रहा था
क्वेश्चन
तूने?
पिक नहीं
ये
किया.
तेरा तेरा हर बार का है प्रीति, हर बार का पॉइंट चाहिए तुझे for things you did like 2 days ago.
Hello, 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 as Diggy likes to say. But, hi guys, welcome back to the Strawberry Pepsi. हमारा शाहरुख sexy. After a break, we are doing it. Looks like it. It's been a while.
हमको
But
ब्रेक
not
लग रहा है,
really.
लेकिन एपिसोड रिलीज तो अभी किया था हमने.
हाँ.
हाँ, ठीक है.
And
But yes,
Preeti,
we are
I like
three
how
friends.
you added bass to hello 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 also to emulate, and then you went back to hi guys.
Yeah, I tried hard. But yes, we are three friends, Preeti, Diksha, and Diggy. We record a weekly podcast, or at least try to do a weekly podcast where we watch Shah Rukh Khan movies and talk about them. Sometimes
I love how we are
we
always
are.
confused when we give our intro. We give the same intro every time, and yet every time we are contemplating what are we? Who are we?
Do we always
Like,
sim or do we sometimes criticize? Are we always not objective or sometimes critical?
I think
that's exactly I was thinking.
I
कि
think it's
हम
past the
critical.
threshold of cute now, and it's starting to sound pretentious. We should start giving simple, straightforward introduction.
हम मूवीज देखते हैं और बातें करते हैं शाहरुख खान के बारे में. और आज की मूवी डिसाइड की है दीक्षा ने, जिसका नाम है हैप्पी न्यू ईयर. सो as the
Preeti
podcast goes.
almost sounds like Preeti like और इसके संगीतकार हैं और इसका गाना दिया है इस साल में आई थी.
Yeah, so as a podcast supposed to go, we give a summary which will be given by Diksha. So go ahead, Diksha.
Yes. So, firstly, why I picked this movie? We watched a really, really bad movie just before this, and I wanted to watch something fun. I haven't seen this one, but out of all of the 2010 films that I'd missed, I had heard this was one of the better ones. Like it's a fun masala film, and obviously Farah Khan directed it, so I had some decent expectations ki achhi hogi, fun hogi, and I was not disappointed. Quick summary of the movie because I think a lot of people might not have watched this one. But yeah, so Shah Rukh Khan plays the role of Charlie, who's a boxer, street boxer. He sometimes fights to win, sometimes fights to lose on purpose so that he can make money off of the betting that happens. And the premise of the movie is basically Charlie is setting up a team to carry out a heist, a diamond heist against Jackie Shroff, who plays the role of Charan Grover. And there is a backstory behind why Shah Rukh Khan wants to rob this guy. This guy, उसके father के साथ धोखा किया, धोखे से उसके father को जेल में डलवा दिया, and then later on in the movie you also find out that the whole jail situation was so bad that I think he committed suicide. I forgot. I don't know if he was murdered or
Yeah, he
they
commits
didn't
Committed
really.
suicide.
suicide.
Yeah, I just kind of glazed past that scene, but yeah. So he assembles this team of like oddballs, misfits. There is Boman Irani, who's like a 50-year-old child. There is Sonu Sood, who is
No,
not
he's a
wearing.
50-year-old playboy. Stud है भाई वो आदमी.
हाँ
Like
हाँ, वो
स्टड
girls
है,
स्टड की
and
टी
women
शर्ट.
कच्चे पैर
all
में
हाँ,
घूमते
left, right,
रहता
and
है.
center.
फ्लर्ट करता है, उसकी मम्मी उसे डांटती है.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
there is Sonu Sood, whose job is to not wear a shirt and keep flexing his abs, which I don't know why, because Shah Rukh had abs in this film. So who was looking at Sonu Sood? And
I
there
agree
is
fully.
I want to say Vivansha, if I'm forgetting his name, Nasiruddin ka beta jo
Right.
tha, who plays like a hacker. And then there is Abhishek Bachchan, who plays Nandu, who is a lookalike of, surprise, surprise, double role of Abhishek Bachchan, who plays Charan Grover's son. And also in this group is Deepika Padukone, who is a bar dancer, as Shah Rukh Khan mentions very derogatorily many times in the
Cheap,
movie.
cheap है. Keeps calling it cheap.
Yes, who also becomes their dance teacher. So, quick note now that I remembered the dance context. So, this heist that they have to carry out also involves participating in and winning a dance competition, the World Dance Championship, which none of these people know how to dance, and they have to clear multiple elimination rounds and such to get through, which they do through like immense amount of cheating, right until in full Bollywood style in the semi-final they win everybody's hearts, and that's how they make it through to the finals. And then in the finals, obviously, okay, we'll come to that. I'm giving a plot summary, skipping right to the end. So yeah, so they carry out this heist. मतलब उसको पहले से सिक्योरिटी प्लान्स का काफी आइडिया रहता है, क्योंकि उसने काम किया था वहां पे, तो उसको पता है कि इवेंट के थ्रू जाना है, और फिर वो सेफ खोलने के लिए काफी कुछ ड्रामा होता है. वेरी इंस्पायर्ड फ्रॉम लॉट ऑफ हॉलीवुड मूवीज, लॉट ऑफ बॉलीवुड रेफरेंसेस इधर उधर. चरण ग्रोवर को बीच बीच में धमकी देता रहता है. There's some fun action sequences, some mildly racist jokes made at the expense of the North Korean team, who are the reigning dance champions, by the way, the team from North Korea. And yeah, that is about it. They carry out the heist, and that is the story of the movie. Oh yeah, they win the World Dance Championship.
And I
So
guess the fun part about the movie is that they tell you the plot because they it's supposed to be a filmy spoof
yeah, I mean,
kind of movie.
it's not a movie that you're watching for what a cool heist it is. It's a movie that you're watching because it's masala, it's fun, it's comical. There's like just a lot of I don't know, Bollywood references, very meta stuff that Farah Khan does, and it was just a fun, feel good movie. Like I didn't have
Yeah,
much
I mean
to.
it's basically a joyride. Like you go
Yeah,
in thinking it'll be fun, it'll be nice, and I mean it's a fun heist movie. Like heist movies, if they're fun, they're never very intelligent, and they do, even despite that, explain at each point what they're going to do. To the extent the day of the heist, they tell the audience that this is how we're going to pull off this heist,
and then
as a way
obviously
of
there
rehearsing
will
it.
be one thing that
Doesn't
goes
go.
wrong. There
Yeah,
will
of
be one
course.
thing that doesn't go to plan, but like they still figure out a plan B, plan C at the last moment and make it happen.
Yeah. Overall, like I think quite a fun movie. But Diksha, you saw it for the first time.
Yes, I did. I think I didn't watch it the first time around because by then I had seen Ravan and I was like, I think I need a break from Shah Rukh Khan movies. I don't want to be more disappointed. If I compare it to other Farah Khan and Shah Rukh Khan works, Om Shanti Om Mehuna, this doesn't compare at all for sure. But as a
Yeah,
film, if I just consider like 2010s as a decade, this is probably the top half of that decade for me. Um, I mean, I granted I haven't seen most of the films, but yeah, I think it was fun. It was nice, light, breezy watch.
yeah. Plus, like, can't really compare it to Mehuna and Om Shanti Om. Like, those are like, and those are a class part. So, I mean, this holds its ground, but as you said, only in the 2010s when it
Yeah.
was not really like the best time for some of Shah Rukh's movies. Yeah.
Did
Preeti,
you watch it in theater?
I watched in theater. Yeah, I mean,
Of
all
course.
2010 movies like I watched in theater without, except for Jab Tak Hai Jaan, all of them. Because up tak we were in college, so we could go, as in when we wanted, and college and then work, and you're not dependent on your parents. So yeah, I saw it in the theater, of course. And मुझे बड़ी अच्छी लगी थी उस टाइम भी. Like I had no qualms about saying कि नहीं, मतलब I did like at that point I remember कि I put up a status also कि अरे नहीं नहीं अच्छी movie नहीं है, ऐसा all of that. But this and Dilwale also, like I almost hooted in some of the scenes in this movie because it's fun. At the end
Of
of the day,
course.
you're going for a good time, and it did well commercially also. Yeah, I mean I mean that's no metric, but still like people liked it enough to go to the theaters and watch it, right? And yeah, I think I felt it was a damn nice movie, good fun. Don't bore your head over कि अरे this doesn't make sense, how did they pull this heist off, and what is this unrealistic shit. They are not in the business to make sense. Make a lot of sense. It's fun. It's a very fun like, movie essentially. Preeti, what were
तो
your thoughts like?
मैंने नहीं देखी थी ऑब्वियसली थिएटर में बिकॉज 2010s were my woke Preeti era where I'm not watching all these movies in theater. What are these? So
I
so
mean, that is
Happy
more
New
of
Year.
like wannabe Preeti era. I was like, nahi, nahi, मैं
हाँ
Delhi
मतलब
University की, I will be like these other people who in Delhi.
yeah I
I'll
am
also watch
aware.
Hollywood movies.
I am self-aware. Okay. So
Yeah.
yes, I did not watch it in theater. मैंने अभी एक्चुअली इसी इसी ईयर आई थिंक 2-3 महीने पहले ही देखी है एंड उस टाइम मेरे को अच्छी लगी थी मतलब एंड वी स्टार्टेड डूइंग द पॉडकास्ट बाय देन सो आई वाज जस्ट वन फाइन डे गेटिंग बोर्ड एंड आई जस्ट वॉच्ड हैप्पी न्यू ईयर एंड आई डिड नॉट डिसलाइक इट at the first time as well. But
Okay.
and like I think I liked the second half of the movie a lot more than the first half of the movie, and I have my reasons for it, which I will probably give it some time. First 15 minutes are amazing because oh my gosh, Shah looks so hot. But so उस time मेरे को अच्छी लगी थी. It grew on me in the second half. This time around, it was a little bit more enjoyable because, of course, watching with you three, with you two, तीसरा बार हमारा phone. But yeah, like watching with you guys, it's like a little bit more fun anyway. And by that time, I like when I watched Happy New Year the first time, I didn't know what to expect from the movie. This time when I was rewatching, I knew what to expect from the movie. Also, डिगी हमें डांट रहे थे बीच बीच में ठीक है तुम कैसे पेट्रियाटिक लोगों को मजाक उड़ा रहे हो मैं इसमें रोने वाला था
कब? When was this?
This whole last sequence of them coming back and doing it for India and everything. वो
Oh.
India का all. I have proof of chats where me and Diksha are making fun of not this song again. And Diggy is like, कैसे
Anti-national.
देशद्रोही लोग हो तुम? So yeah,
So
it
Preeti,
makes it
do you
more
do you
fun.
also agree not this song again, meaning you also dislike Manwala? Have I rubbed off on you finally?
No, no, sorry, Diksha,
It's a
I
good
love you.
song. Diksha, I
It's a
don't know what your
terrible
problem is.
song. It's an
It's
awful,
not.
annoying song. I can't
We've,
listen to it again. It's just
we've,
so bad.
we are going to put this as a poll on all our social media and ask people, कि बताओ, is this a good song or not? I'm willing to bet you
Manwala
80% of the people will say it's a good song.
It's an annoying song. And it's even more annoying when they put it in that remix auto-tune mode when she has to perform to it, or like when they randomly
Yeah,
play
that
when Deepika
see,
enters and all.
yeah. So the remix is not that great. I agree with you there. But I said, like, for me, I like the song, and at the same time, it was so funny to see you react to it every time it was coming. So I guess I will remember Manwala for one more reason now, which is you. But yeah, good fun. I don't think it deserves the kind of hate Farah got for it, and like people really celebrated it that she got a
Yeah,
flop and
it
everything.
got a lot of,
This was not a
what do you
flop.
say?
It was a
It's
box
not a
office hit.
flop.
Like, I mean, it was nothing
Yeah.
compared to Tismar Khan. Like for that, I mean, for Farah Khan, this was a recovery movie from Tismar Khan.
Yeah.
In my opinion.
Critically, it was panned quite a bit. Like nobody like gave it good reviews, but commercially it did smashingly well. Yeah, I think it did quite well. It
नहीं,
didn't
पर
even
वो
have that
मतलब
much of
मूवी
budget,
देखते हुए पता
140
चल
crore
रहा
or
था
something.
या मूवी देखते हुए पता चल रहा था कि
Yeah.
उन्होंने क्रिटिक्स के लिए नहीं बनाई है मतलब उनको भी मालूम है कि वो कौन सी कैसी पिक्चर बना रहे
Yeah, and that's what I like about this movie, that they don't really take themselves too seriously anytime in the movie. And I guess beach mein there are some bits of it where they I guess do like a little bit overboard with the we don't care, we just have to have fun. But otherwise, हाँ मतलब काफी like at least the second half तो I would say like मेरे को बहुत ही ज्यादा मजा आया.
Yeah, some of those character traits that they gave were little like why did they do like अभिषेक बच्चन हर जगह जाके उल्टी क्यों कर रहा है क्यों what
That
is
makes
the
no
need
sense. No, I'll tell you. the reason it makes sense because end में they created a conflict कि they needed to be in a particular room to enter the vault, and there was a duct that went into it, right? But because some other team took it, so that's why Abhishek Bachchan had to go
England
inside
team took
and
it.
the England
You
team
can
took it.
say the answer is out.
It
So
was
they had
not
to go
England, by
in.
the way. It is United Kingdom. They
No,
are wearing the
United
Union
Kingdom.
Jack
मतलब
costume.
यूके मतलब जो भी यूके ओके whatever.
Okay. देख उन्होंने हम पे राज किया था. We don't need to get their country right. It's okay.
Dude, okay, I'll admit I had to Google the flag to confirm that it was England because who the fuck knows what England's flag looks like, यार मतलब UK का flag जानती हो?
नहीं ये तो अच्छा. Okay.
हाँ,
Well,
तुमने
when you
क्रिकेट
see it
वगैरह
in
में देखा है इसलिए मेरे को याद था कि इंग्लैंड ही होगा, बट आई हैड टू कंफर्म, आई हैड टू गूगल एंड कंफर्म.
yeah, you see it enough number of times in sports.
Yeah, coming back, so what ticked me off through the movie, one person and everything around the footage given to him was Sonu Sood. Like, I just did not
प्रीति
like him.
प्रीति को बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद कि शाहरुख की मूवी में किसी और को भी जरा सा भी भाव मिले. मतलब लास्ट एपिसोड, हाउ डेयर दे पुट सलमान खान ahead of Shahrukh Khan in the credits this episode. I was like, how dare they even focus on Sonu Sood for 2 minutes.
No, I'll tell you what. This whole sorry, I lost my chain of thoughts. But
Sonu Sood being
yeah,
given too much footage and his abs
no,
and
like
what all.
ठीक है, abs दिखाओ, कुछ भी दिखाओ, like, but उससे एक्टिंग नहीं होती यार बिल्कुल. Like he is giving this straight face whatever. उसका मतलब दर्द डिस्को लुक दे दिया है तो पूरे टाइम में बस वही वो करने की कोशिश कर रहा है. And even the fight sequences and the kind of role he was given, that वो माँ scene, if you say something about the mother, he gets so angry, कान से धुआं आता है, all of that. And there are multiple fight sequences that they are given. At least the first fight sequence I know because I just watched it. वो बहुत ही ऐसे मेरे को लगा था क्या हो रहा है, ये क्यों हो रहा है. There are multiple times in the movie where these things, especially when Sonu Sood is around, I just lose my interest too much. Like even Boman Irani's some part of the characterization was a little bit too much, but still enjoyable because he's a great actor and all of that. Sonu Sood तो मेरे को ऐसा लगा था, no, go.
But I think
I don't like it.
those character traits were mostly emphasized in the beginning when they were introducing the characters. For example, Sonu Sood को introduce करने के time they had a huge fight, and Boman Irani को introduce करते
दो
हुए all
बार
the
होता है
girls, women
डिग्गी.
were sort of. अरे ठीक है, एक मूवी में मूवी सेट पे फाइट होती है छोटी मोटी, and then there's one proper fight. But ठीक है, that's the first 10 minutes of his character essentially. तो प्रीति लाइक 2 बार होता है, ऐसा कैसे हो गया 10 मिनट में 2 बार कैसे आ गया वो.
She's like,
शाहरुख
शाहरुख के
को
एब्स
बुलाओ.
मैंने एक ही बार देखे मूवी में, सोनू सूद के एब्स हर सीन में दिखा रहे थे, ऐसा कैसे कर दिया मेरे साथ.
हाँ, वैसे ही अनफेयर तो है कि उसको ऐसे बार बार वो दर्द डिस्को वाला वो भी दे देते, रेफरेंस भी देता. मुझे तो गुस्सा आ रहा, हाउ डेयर यू फारा.
यार उसी की मूवी, उसी का रेफरेंस.
हाँ, मतलब मैं तो गुस्सा हो सकती हूँ ना. अब जैसे मेरे को शाहरुख खान को उसने वो ब्लीच हेयर दिया, मेरे को वो भी बहुत पसंद तो नहीं आया. मुझे लगता है इतना हॉट लग रहा है शाहरुख खान, इतना सुंदर है वो. ये थोड़ा कुछ और
कौन सा
कलर
ब्लीच
दे दे
है?
कि
अरे
थोड़ा
वो
कलर ही तो था
छोटा सा
बाल.
उसके बाल
नहीं.
का ब्राउनिश ब्लॉन्डिश कर दिया. आई डिडंट माइंड इट. आई मीन आई
हाँ
लाइक
हाँ,
इट.
that's pretty common यार. कोई
वेंट
वीर
विद द
ज़ारा भी
लुक.
थोड़े streaks है उसके
हाँ,
तो. Yeah.
और
तो
वो
वीर ज़ारा, प्लीज
2012
डू नॉट
14
कंपेयर
something.
वीर ज़ारा. Sorry.
Okay, this is a video podcast, so you guys don't know, but Preeti's eyes went wide. Her face lit up. साले कैसे बोल दिया तूने? कैसे बोल दिया वीर ज़ारा?
I love both Shahrukh say that these are all one person. But yes, like that streak, I was like, बस वो मत देते यार, अच्छे से कलर करेंगे, छपरी चार्ली बना दिया उसको एकदम. But yeah,
अरे यार,
प्रीति यार.
तू तो पैन करी जा रही है उसको. मुझे तो ठीक लगा था. Like I think Shahrukh looked quite good in this
anyway,
movie.
yes.
Yeah, I thought he looked
Yeah,
really
he looks
good. He
very
was funny also. I mean, he was smart also. I felt like they unnecessarily gave him that slightly misogynistic character trait where he's going around and like every time Deepika's not looking, he's saying something about how cheap she is and how she's a bar dancer and she's worthless. And then he turns around and she's standing there. Like just for creating that scene, I feel like they gave some unnecessary dialogues. They could have done it differently without adding that whole bar dancer angle to it. Um, And like
And
it's
not
Deepika's
only
character's
he,
response to his apologies also used to be, oh इंग्लिश में बात कर रहा है चलो माफ कर देते हैं. Like क्या था वो, क्यों था? मतलब at one point he's just saying nonsense English word, like he said supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, and like she's like looking at him like wow, क्या बोल दिया?
To be honest,
so he's not
it's to
only he,
portray कि Deepika does not understand English. तो वो कुछ भी, like she's just
हाँ
hearing random
लेकिन
words which don't make
मतलब
sense.
वो 1 मिनट इतना ऑफेंड हो रही है कि भाई बंदे ने बहुत इंसल्ट करी उसकी, और वो आके कुछ भी बक रहा है एंड शी इज लाइक हाँ हाँ माफ किया चलो डांस करते हैं.
तो that is what the character traits और सब कुछ दे रखे हैं ना फालतू में quirks
तो
कि
वही
इसको
तो
इंग्लिश पसंद
क्यों,
है.
that
शाहरुख
was
खान
unnecessary. I
randomly.
felt like they could have just
हाँ.
made them two normal people with some, I don't know, funny witty
पर फिर
dialogues.
वो इतना फिल्मी नहीं होता ना. मतलब see what Farah I think tries to do is just bake archetypes of people, like characters in the movie. She doesn't really get into the deeper aspects of what that person is, why they're doing it,
Yeah,
until unless
I'm
it's
not
filmy and it
saying
makes sense.
I'm
हाँ,
not
I
saying
agree
she's
with
to be
you.
deep also, but like filminess देने के लिए एक misogyny ही मिला था क्या? मतलब Bollywood is more
हाँ.
than that, guys.
I mean, to be
um,
honest, a lot of time, low-hanging fruit is always a sexist joke at the expense of the woman. That's the easiest joke to crack in these movies.
I mean, it's kind of disappointing if it's a Farah movie because, like, मतलब वो क्यों misogynist jokes मार रही है ना
Yeah,
movie
I
में.
mean,
कोई
you
और
have a
करेगा
woman
तो.
writer, woman director. We expect better from you, Farah.
एंड वो ऐसा नहीं होता कि वो पीछे से ही उसको मतलब मिसोजिनी जोक्स बोल रहा होता है. जो भी जब वो उसको सॉरी भी बोलता है इन वन ऑफ द सीन्स, ही इज सेइंग ऑल दीज हिप्स डोंट लाई एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. उसके मुंह पे ही बोल रहा है ना वो तो, जस्ट बिकॉज ही नोस दैट शी डजंट अंडरस्टैंड इट.
I
आई मीन
think,
ही
I
इज
mean,
चार्म.
in that part, actually, I will say was a kind of funny, and that's what his character could have been, like somebody who's like, matlab, slightly turned on by this woman, and making these inappropriate comments or something, not blatantly calling her a cheap bar dancer who doesn't have any worth, who dances for men, who takes off her clothes and all. That was so unnecessary. Like,
Yeah, but yeah, I hope she doesn't do it again, is what my whole thing is. But other than that, yeah, so वैसे overall तो वैसे अच्छी मूवी थी. मजे आए मेरे को. ऐसे अच्छा लग रहा था. बार बार इतने सारे रेफरेंस आ रहे थे. आई नो इट
हाँ,
इस
like
तरह से
this
इतना
is
रैंट करने के बाद बोल रहे हो अच्छी थी. एंड
हाँ,
लाइक
that is typical प्रीति कि अरे ये क्या खराब मूवी, ये क्यों किया यार, ये ऐसे क्यों किया यार, ये क्या किया, बट मूवी तो बढ़िया ही थी. मतलब अच्छी ही लगी मेरे को तो.
I mean, there are bits and
But
parts
like
of the movie
these,
which are too funny. Like I was laughing a lot in some parts of the movie, so that's like credit where it due.
my slapstick
Um,
humor is fun. Like I have nothing against slapstick humor. Like if you don't overdo it, it's actually very enjoyable form of comedy. It requires you to do a lot of physical comedy, जो generally कर नहीं
yeah,
पाते हैं लोग.
like
And
that.
honestly, like yeah, I mean, all of these actors, I think the person whose strength is physical comedy, and this might be a controversial opinion, is Abhishek Bachchan. Like you put him in a role where he has to act stupid and be funny, and like just through his gestures and body language, usually do a very good job of it. I think it's one other movie I saw. I think Bol Bachchan Bol. He's done. It's a highly homophobic movie, but the role that he's given, it's funny. Like he's able to pull it off. And I think Boman Rani, obviously, all of them are very good actors, but
Yeah, I was gonna say
that
Boman
comedy,
Rani is
Abhishek
also
Bachchan
good
nailed
in
as it.
that. Boman Rani is
Yeah,
also
yeah.
good in that kind of a setting and a role.
हाँ, मतलब Boman
I
Rani
am
obviously
telling
is
you,
an
it
actor
was
through and
Sonu
through.
Sood who brought this movie down. Everybody else was good.
Honestly, I
It
wasn't too
was.
impressed with Nasruddin Shah's son also. I mean,
मतलब
nobody's
कुछ
looking
था
for
नहीं
acting in this
उसका.
movie,
हाँ,
उसको
but
रोल
he
ही क्या था यार.
still like sort of bland सा ही था. Like
उसको पैसा
even
वसूल
when
करने थे. उसको पैसे कमाने थे इसलिए गया था वो मूवी करने.
yeah,
और उसको मतलब मेरे को तो वो भी ऑनेस्टली थोड़ा अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था. मेरे को जो वो बोल रहे थे कि वो लड़कियों को आईक्यू नहीं चाहिए होता है, सीक्यू चाहिए होता है, कूल क्वेश्चन, एंड ही इज अ लूजर बिकॉज ही इज अ नर्ड. एंड मे बी दैट माइट बी, I don't know, true for
That
some people,
dialogue
but
also existed only so that in the end of the movie they can show him in a limousine with a lot of women.
yeah.
Because उसके अलावा तो कुछ उसका कोई फायदा ही नहीं था. मतलब that literally just existed in that one silo. but fun movie.
I like
See,
it जब हमारे पास थोड़ा silence आ रहा है fun movie
I mean,
what were
it
your
was
like
it was a fun movie. Yeah. Like I enjoyed it when I watched it the first time. I enjoyed it this time, and it's not this like I watched it multiple times between like first time I watched it. I watched it probably like 5 6 times now. मिला के. And like I usually watch
six
it कि चलो
times
हाँ मतलब
wow
ऐसे
Diggy
कुछ मन कर रहा है बैठे हो
प्रीति
मैंने
like इतनी भी
अरे
अच्छी नहीं थी.
अरे you guys forget I was like basically unemployed for a very long time यार अभी पिछले कुछ टाइम में तो मैं बहुत तो I used to basically watch one good movie and one average movie. Sometimes I'll
so
watch a bad
basically
movie
you
also.
just watch Dawn and Happy New Year on repeat
No, no. I added quite a bit of. I used to watch 2 movies every day. Like I had so much time. घर पे बैठा हूँ
Dawn
कुछ
and
भी नहीं कर
Happy
रहा
New Year I know it now I will remember it
हूँ. Yeah, but yeah, I watched it like multiple times. All right. I think let's just move to the same moments because
कुछ
I'm
बोलने का
pretty
है
sure
नहीं
Preeti
सारा.
is. I mean, क्या बोलो इस movie? It's a fun masala movie. It didn't do critically that well. Commercially, it did really well. But like, I also have a point around why it didn't do critically that well is because the audience has also matured over a decade, right? From 2003, 2004, 2014. It is like you've had a lot of other types of cinema come in, which is not just masala movies, not just commercial movies. Of course, Salman Khan movies still do very well, but you've been exposed to like Amir Khan obviously has chosen a certain kind of cinema to do. There are new crop of actors that have come in, so people look forward to that meeting, and they have a sort of benchmark to compare it to, and this purely from a critical point of view, right?
But
Like
you
a
know
lot of
what?
the a lot of yeah.
I think masala movies can also be like critically well received. I don't think that masala movies are like just meant to be dumbed down or
True,
whatever. Like Rocky
exactly,
Rani was
true.
really good. Like I really enjoyed it genuinely, not just the masala aspect of it. I thought it was a good emotional roller coaster ride,
Yeah.
and like the characters all played their like actors all played their roles really well and everything. So I don't know. I kind of disagree that like the
No, so I mean, yeah, masala movies can be good, but my point is how you judge those masala movies has changed over time,
maybe
right?
yeah.
Yeah,
but
nowadays you need a Rocky Rani level of masala movie to actually make it work.
Fair.
At pehle you could make like, for example, if you just look at IMDb ratings, I'm just looking at right now. This movie has an IMDb rating of 5. Happy New Year, right? हम तुम्हारे साथ 5.4. It's rated higher than this movie. So obviously at
Yeah.
that point they're judging movies slightly differently by a different metric.
I think also
So
because like
essentially,
by now Shah Rukh has a fandom. People have
yeah,
expectations. हम
yeah.
तुम्हारे
That's
सनम
that
I don't think
that's
anybody had expectations. वो movie ज्यादा लोगों ने देखी भी नहीं होगी. Now people are like everyone would have watched this movie and everyone would have wanted to come back and like experience Shah Rukh Khan, and they came back and they were like "ये क्या था?" But हाँ,
yeah,
I
yeah.
am sure if more people
That's for
watched
sure.
हम तुम्हारे सनम, it would be the lowest rated movie on IMDb.
Yeah, maybe. It's also like pre-IMDb time, so people are rewatching it or rating it on IMDb essentially. But yeah, okay, moving on from the cinematic aspect and all of that, let's move on to the sim moments. And I've been told to start, and I'm having a bit of a hard time recollecting क्या रे इसमें क्या क्या
Oh,
अच्छा
I
लगा
can
था
go
मुझे.
first. I have my some moments ready to go. If you
No, no,
don't
I
want.
have two sim moments. Like I will just those are the movies I hooted when they came on
I
screen.
know yours is gonna be one of mine. The way
I
you described it, I already know.
I don't know. I'm not sure. So first is like the Fight Club scene where and it's not the what do you say? It's not the pouring water over his abs which Preeti was salivating over. It is the the sort of comeback sort of thing he does, fights with the guy and knocks him out. But like the badass moment comes after that when he's like, अरे यार वो उठेगा नहीं तो हम पैसे हार जाएंगे. And he's like, ये नहीं उठेगा. And sort of the confidence and the swag that Shah Rukh has, I really like that. My second moment is also when this is, I think, it's similar to how they do it in Mehuna, where he's coming to sort of, I think, rescue Percy, or when he's jumping from one rickshaw to the Scorpio or whatever. It is when he's fighting that Korean guy, and he's pushed off, but he comes back, sort of
That
jumps,
was
and
mine. That was mine. He gets thrown off the building
he
and he
and
swings
comes
back
back, swings
and
back,
kicks this guy and then saves him. And he's like,
and
yeah,
yeah, that
fuck,
was
that
so
was so
badass.
good.
Like out of the blue, they're just chilling, dancing, and suddenly like they two people having an MMA fight on top of the building. So cool. Yeah, I found that to be really like a very simpy Shah Rukh moment. But yeah, go ahead, Diksha.
The one which you just said, that was one of mine. I think
Okay.
I said a lot about how Shah Rukh was very misogynistic towards Deepika in the movie, but there were moments, like when she's descending the staircase at that party in that whole gown, get up and everything, where वो अपने होश खो बैठता है, मतलब वो he just suddenly loses it. And yeah, I think the way Shah Rukh firstly falls in love in a film is amazing. And yeah, I think there was another scene where Abhishek Bachchan was hitting on Deepika Padukone at some party or something, and he tries to come close to her, and वो उसको किसी तो बहाने से भेज देता है वहां से, and then he pulls her towards him, and it was just so cute. Like, yeah, I think Shah Rukh falling in love in a movie is my
Moment always.
yes.
Oh,
Very
very
good,
cute.
Preeti. What about you?
Actually, मेरे को तो yeah, that was something I also wanted to discuss, that like that whole scene is very Om Shanti Om coded. And so yeah, the whole scene where she's coming out of the staircase and everything is very, very Om Shanti Om coded. They actually tell you that it's Om Shanti Om because they play the music, which I was like, कि ठीक है, cute, but also yeah, मेरे को पहले realize हो गया था, तो बता क्यों रहे हो? Okay, but yes, coming to my sleep moments, I have many. As usual, first is the whole his entry. His entry is too good, and I guess in my head, when I was watching that whole fight sequence and everything, it reminded me, like some bits of it reminded me of Karan Arjun, where the whole Ajay Vijay scene, where Salman Khan
Yeah,
is actually like losing that fight because of money and everything, and then he goes back and fights back and something. So in my
it's
head,
probably
I
a
was like,
throwback. It's probably a throwback.
it's
Yeah,
like a role that he didn't get to play, so he's playing it now like a badass.
yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
so I really liked that. Like, and whenever he's speaking his own, like in the movie, he's speaking his own Purane dialogues as well. The Devdas one, and multiple others. Main Hoon Na and all that. So the wit and charm of Shah Rukh in some of these dialogues is amazing. I really, really adore every time Shah Rukh is. I mean, ठीक है, थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया था because मुझे लगा था कि ठीक है, दो चार बार रखते तो ठीक है, थोड़ा enjoyable होता है, but in every other sentence and every other dialogue they were keeping it, so I guess it just loses its charm a little bit, but nonetheless it was beautifully done. And one of my other simple moments, and one of our favorite moments of the movie is also when Shah Rukh Khan is telling his whole plan of the heist and everything, and saying कि we have to go to Dubai and all that, all that, all that, and then he says कि उसके उस रूम में नहीं रह सकते क्योंकि वो ग्रीन रूम है, and then everybody is asking कि but what, like उससे क्या फर्क है, ब्लू रूम हो येलो रूम, कुछ भी, and then he goes like but there is a tournament or something, and he doesn't, he never says WTC का मतलब क्या है, because nobody wants to, like he knows that nobody is a dancer, but he does it so well 5 times or 4 times कि मेरे को बहुत, like every time I've rewatched that whole scene, it's like it always cracks me up. So yeah, I loved it. And also there is a belly dancing Shah Rukh Khan in those dance
Ballet
sequences when
dancing,
some,
not belly dancing for anybody listening.
sorry, sorry, not belly.
I'm
Like Shah Rukh
confused.
Khan,
I don't
my
think
first instinct was
they
like,
did
what?
belly dancing.
When did
What?
that happen?
Ballet.
my bad, हाँ ballet, वो pink skirt, yeah, pink skirt में शाहरुख है ना,
Yeah.
but I think I could just notice throughout the movie that Shahrukh had a lot of fun throughout. It just comes across in the screen so much, so that was like something that kept me hooked in the movie. I
Pink
think
skirt
I've
में सोनू सूट भी
like,
था.
do you think
Frame
I
को
noticed?
frame में ही नहीं आ रहा प्रीति के.
So yeah. So many things I had. Yeah, I said all of them, I think so. कभी कभी
Okay.
Cool,
मुझे लगता है ना
cool.
हमें शुरू में सिंप मोमेंट कर लेना चाहिए क्योंकि पहले तो मैं रैंट कर लेती हूँ, थ्रैश कर लेती हूँ, फिर मैं सारी एसआरके की बातें करती हूँ, फिर तो मुझे लगता है यार अच्छी तो थी। माइट एज वेल पहले सिंप कर लेते हैं, बाद में थोड़ा रैंट कर लेंगे।
नेक्स्ट
बट
टाइम
या
से यही
एनीवे
करेगी,
दोस
ठीक
वर
है?
आर द सिंप मोमेंट्स।
प्रीति अपनी डायकोटमी हैंडल नहीं कर पा रही है, कैसे कैसे होगा ये?
या
Okay, guys, will you rewatch? What's your score?
I mean, I will 100% rewatch. Like
Same.
this,
Yeah.
I will 100 like I will definitely watch it. Like probably a year later, I'm randomly sitting and I want to watch a movie. I will watch this movie.
It's like one
Score
of
I
those
think 3.5.
sitcoms you like rewatching. Like you don't love it
Yeah,
anymore,
yeah.
but it's like, हाँ ठीक है, familiar है, funny है, देख लेते हैं.
It's a very nice comfort watch. Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. 3.5. 3.5 is
Yeah, I
good enough
think
for
three,
this.
3.5.
For me, 3.5 as well. Will I rewatch it? Yes, only for Shah Rukh. I will cut every Sonu Sood scene possible. Like,
Oh yeah, I would not watch this if it had anybody other than Shah Rukh. Like I was annoyed by every other character except maybe Boman and Rani. So I would definitely not watch it if not for Shah Rukh.
Yeah,
yeah,
probably
same. So
same.
I will rewatch it for Shah Rukh. Would आई थिंक थोड़ा और एडिट करके थोड़ी और छोटी हो सकती थी मूवी, तो मैं वो एडिटिंग अपने आप करूंगी जब मैं रिवॉच करूंगी। बट यस, गुड फन 3.5. 0.5 extra for Manwal Agi because that made the experience too good for me this time.
0.5 minus for Manwal Aage. So I'll give it a 3-star rating.
Cool. Let's go on to the
Okay.
quiz.
So I have a surprise planned for you guys that I've been hyping up for so long that now I'm scared it won't live up to the expectations, and also that you guys have forgotten the movie and won't know the answers to any of the questions. But
The latter is probably what's going to happen, Diksha. I'm
yes,
warning you.
basically this movie had so much content. There were so many references, so much trivia that I decided to do a Jeopardy format. So sort of a Jeopardy format. Okay. I'll share my screen for you guys, but I'll explain the like what's happening so that people listening also are aware. So basically you'll have 5 categories. Okay. 5 categories of questions, and there'll be 3 levels
Wow.
of questions across each. So you have
Holy
to,
shit.
on your turn,
Oh my
pick a
God.
category and the number of points for the question that you want. So for example, music for 20 points. If you answer it correctly, you get the bid number of points. So if it's a 20-point question, you get 20. If you don't answer it, the question passes. And then if the other person answers it, then they get the points. Whether or not you answered correctly, the turn to pick a question and answer will alternate. So there's no buzzing. So if Diggy goes first, then Preeti goes second, Diggy goes third, Preeti goes fourth, so on. The game continues until all questions in all categories have been chosen and answered. And the player with the most points wins. Some questions have part points. We will figure that out as we proceed. I also might be wrong about some of the answers because there was too many references. I've tried to note down wherever possible, whatever possible. But if I miss something, then we'll see. I have a
Yeah.
starting question to decide who gets to pick first because there's 15 questions. So it's kind of an uneven number of answers, but like you
Ooh.
can balance the points if you choose correctly. So DM me the answer in the chat and like closest person wins. They get to start. So the
व्हाट्सएप
question,
कर दूं?
हाँ जैसे भी कहीं भी भेज दो. एटलांटिस में कितने रूम्स थे? क्लोजेस्ट आंसर स्टार्ट्स.
Oh, damn.
प्रीति ये स्माइल देख के लग रहा है उसको एग्जैक्ट आंसर मालूम है.
ये मेरी स्माइल काफी
Okay, so both incorrect. Diggy said 200, Preeti said 1200. The answer is 1539. Preeti was closer, so she gets to
Oh,
go
damn.
first. And
Okay, cool.
yep, so you have 5 categories: actors, music, dialogues, nonsense, and dance. I'm not
God.
explaining any of the categories. You can figure it out as we go along.
Yeah.
okay. I will
Can I just say,
choose.
Diksha, I wish you would made this quiz for some other movie which we had, which we had just watched and like with a little more attention than a masala
I'll do
movie.
it again. I love this format.
Yeah.
This is so much fun.
Oh shit.
And
God.
like there was a ready-made Canva template for it, so I'm not kidding. It took me 30 minutes to put together. That's all.
Okay. Cool.
Okay, I am choosing music 20.
Gosh, you're choosing music.
Music for 20. So the question is, who wrote the lyrics of the song Nonsense Ki Night?
Wow, no, I can pass.
You
Are
can
there
pass.
negative points?
No, there's no negative points.
Okay, so then I will answer anything now. Javed Akhtar?
Wrong. Diggy?
Oh, I can go.
Yeah?
Is it Anu Malik?
Nope. The answer is Farah Khan.
Oh,
So she turned lyricist for this song specifically.
for this song. Arey
Yeah.
yaar.
So,
Wow.
okay, only disadvantage of this is I can't mark on the screen which ones are done. So I'll tell you guys which ones are done as we go on. But ठीक है, Diggy, your turn to pick.
Okay, let me dialogues dialogues 30.
So diggy of you, of
Dialogues for?
course.
30. Let's see.
Okay. Name any 3 movies whose dialogues have been referenced in this film and tell me the OG dialogue.
Tariq pe Tariq, Damini.
Okay, this I didn't remember, but if Preeti can corroborate, I'll take it.
Okay,
Yeah,
Chak De
but
India,
the Damini
70
movie is
minute,
हाँ,
70
70 minute is correct.
right? And wait, Dawn, 11 मुल्के वाला जो आता मुल्कों वाला.
ये वाला भी मैंने नहीं सुना, but if Preeti can also remember that it's there, then I'll give you points.
I'm sure Dawn has been referred.
I think Dawn is referred, but Damini वाला जो आप बोल रहे हो, तारीख पे तारीख, I don't remember. I remember a different dialogue from Damini.
कौन सा?
Like वो बोलता
2.5
है
किलो
ये
का
कौन
हाथ,
है?
2.5 किलो का हाथ.
That is,
But 2.5 किलो
yes,
का हाथ is
that
not
is.
Damini.
They say the name Damini and then they say 2.5 kilo ka haath. I remember it because I watched it like
Okay.
half an hour ago.
Okay. Acha. Okay, then I might be wrong. I'm thinking, wait, there's Dawn, there's so DDLJ was definitely referred.
Do you know which dialogue?
Trying to think of it. बड़े बड़े देशों में.
Yes, yeah.
And that and wait. I know Mohabbatein was referred.
Yeah.
Chak De India was referred.
हाँ, 3 दे
there
दिए
was
तुमने.
ठीक
दे
है.
मिलके 30 पॉइंट देगी.
Cool.
Yeah, these are the ones that I noted and I've got here. So Chak De India, DDLJ, Devdas was the कौन कम वक्त
Oh,
उसके लिए
Devdas.
पीता है.
मैंने
Devdas.
बोला ही था ये तो. एक तो मुझे थोड़े पॉइंट्स मिलने चाहिए कि देवदास और डीडीएलजे में होना, तो मैं पहले भी बोल चुकी थी.
कब बोला
तुमने
था
क्वेश्चन
तूने?
पिक नहीं
ये
किया
तेरा
प्रीति.
हर बार का है प्रीति, हर बार का पॉइंट चाहिए तुझे for things you did like 2 days ago.
Okay.
चलो, okay, cool.
Next
Back to
question.
game board. Preeti.
I get to choose. Okay. Dialogues 20.
Okay.
Oh, damn.
So fill in the blanks. किस्मत बड़ी डैश चीज है, साली कभी भी पलट जाती है.
चीज है, साली
किस्मत
कभी
बड़ी
पलट जाती है.
डैश चीज है, अगर इरादों में दम हो तो साली पलट ही जाती है. The dialogue changes basically from the beginning to the end of the movie.
But the blank is same, ना?
No, the blank changes.
Why will she be 2 blanks?
किस्मत बड़ी कुत्ती चीज है, साली कभी भी बदल जाती है. एक
Yeah,
तो
that
सही
part
है,
is
right?
correct. हाँ, that part is correct.
So she gets part points for that. Like I'm presuming you've broken it down into 10 plus 10.
हाँ, मतलब
Yeah.
if you get the second one also, then I'll give you 20. So I'll give you
Of
2
course,
minutes
of course.
to guess.
Yeah.
मस्त चीज है. I don't know. I don't know the second part, so pass.
ठीक है, I'll give you part points. The answer is किस्मत बड़ी सही चीज है
कमीनी.
and किस्मत बड़ी
अच्छा
कुत्ती
ही.
चीज है. Yeah.
Okay.
So Preeti gets 10.
मस्त, मतलब मस्त बोला है, like I was.
हाँ, मतलब सही नहीं था ना, क्या करे.
प्रीति को हर चीज के पॉइंट चाहिए भाई. कुछ भी.
Okay. Diggy, your turn.
Okay, I'll get an easy one. Dialogues 10.
Okay. Complete the dialogue. Mother.
छोड़ना यार.
Yes. That is the correct answer.
Easy 10.
Yep, easy 10. And that finishes the dialogues category. Everything else is pretty much left except music for 20. So Preeti.
Music for
Actors
30.
30.
Preeti, music for 30. Come on. अरे यार.
No,
Actors 30. Okay. Who was initially rumored to be intended to play the role of Mohini? If you both don't get it, I'll give you a hint. And you can go again.
Anushka?
No, that's wrong. Diggy?
Can I guess again? Sorry, but okay, no.
No, it's Diggy's
What?
turn
Why
to
will you
guess.
go again? Is it कौन actress है यार? Can't be I don't know. Can't be Alia Bhatt also. कौन एक्टर? विद्या बालन? Is it Vidya
No,
Balan?
that's wrong. So the
Oh
hint
shit.
I'm giving is think of the time in which the movie came out and what was
Yeah.
happening around that time or what came out just before this film. Like, and guess again, Preeti.
कौन सा साल में आई थी यार, थोड़ा एक बार दिला दो।
2014.
क्या है था 2014 में?
तो इसकी
No
शूटिंग हुई
idea.
होगी 2012-13 में. Think of that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really want to say Madhuri because Mohini, like the
No,
original
that's
Mohini was
wrong.
Madhuri, but that's
Yeah.
okay.
Diggy?
2012 में ना शूटिंग हुई होगी। 2012 में शाहरुख की रावण 2011 में आई थी। 12 में आई थी उसकी जब तक है जान। एंड आई डोंट नो, ऐश्वर्या रानी है, क्या नाम है उसका? कैटरीना कैफ?
Wrong. So the answer I thought was fairly obvious. So it's Priyanka Chopra. Uh,
और डॉन। I was about to
not
say
just
प्रियंका
Dawn,
चोपड़ा,
but
but मुझे लगा वो
it
थोड़ी
was
ना।
Shah
Okay,
Rukh
yeah,
wanted
yeah,
Dawn
this
yeah.
2.
person to play the role, so I thought you guys would
Dawn
get it.
2.
But
Yeah,
ठीक है.
no, of course not. So you should have
Okay,
gotten it.
ठीक है, 30 pointer था तो. This
Okay.
was Preeti's guess, right? So Diggy, you get to pick.
Okay, I'll go for actors 10.
Actors 10.
Yeah.
Name any 3 adult cameos in the film.
Kiku Sharda,
Yeah.
who does Saroj Khan. Then
ये तो बहुत easy question है Diggy.
हाँ,
अरे थोड़ा सोचने देना, 1-2 मिनट।
इतना
किकू
टाइम नहीं
शारदा,
होता।
I
सॉरी,
remember.
ऐसे नहीं
Oh,
होता।
प्रभु, ए चुप ना, तू कितना टाइम लेती है और फिर पॉइंट भी मांगती है।
और Preeti will answer like,
प्रभुदेवा,
I want to
प्रभुदेवा।
say X,
हाँ,
but I'm
ऑलमोस्ट
not
एज इफ कि मैं
sure.
नहीं दूंगी जवाब। प्रभुदेवा,
Yeah,
he comes to
Prabhudeva
teach
is
them
also
dance.
correct.
Yeah. Then one more person, तो सरोज खान तो खुद से तो नहीं थी। फराह खान बोल सकता हूँ, उसका तो क्या हो जाएगा?
मतलब I can
Technically it's correct.
consider it. ठीक है, technically it is
Technically it's
correct.
correct.
But there were so many actually correct answers that
मलाइका
you could have
अरोड़ा,
given from
Oh, Malaika,
Sajid
Malaika,
Khan,
yeah.
Malaika
Anurag,
Arora,
yeah.
Anupam Kher, Vishal Dadlani, Anurag Kashyap, Dino Morea, Daisy Rani, Sara Jane Vyas,
Anupam
Geeta
Kher is not a
Gandhi.
cameo,
So
yaar. It's not a
many.
cameo.
It was an extended cameo only.
Anupam
Yeah,
Kher is
Vishal
a
Dadlani and Anurag Kashyap I should have gotten. Yeah.
But ठीक है, I'll give you
Baat.
10 points for that.
Yeah. Cool.
Back
Thank
to the
you.
board. Preeti.
What's the point score? Right? I have no idea.
Preeti's at 10 and Diggy's at 15.
okay, dance 20.
Dance
Ooh.
20. नंदू भिड़े का सिग्नेचर स्टेप क्या है?
वो वाला सांप वाला,
Yeah,
नागिन डांस।
that's correct. Nagin dance is
Okay.
correct.
So do I get to now
So
choose
Preeti
more because
gets
I answered
20
it
points
correct?
for that.
नहीं
No,
प्रीति,
you
तू
don't.
अकेले खेल ले, ठीक है? अपने रूल्स बना ले। खुद से खेल ले, सारे पॉइंट चाहिए इनको। पूरा उसने she spent 5 minutes explaining the rules to you.
Okay, Diggy, you get to choose next.
Nonsense 20.
Okay. So this category is basically a lyric from the song Nonsense Ki Night. I want you to tell me the Hindi muhavra that it translates to.
नाचना जाने आंगन टेढ़ा।
Yeah, so this question was dance not coming courtyard crooked, and Diggy got the answer right. So that's
Oh,
20
sorry. We
points for
should tell
Diggy.
the question first.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yes, forget.
So that's 20 points for Diggy. And Preeti, you're next.
Nonsense 30.
Okay. Staying in water, don't be enemy of crocodile.
इसका हिंदी वो बताना
समुंदर
है,
में
मुहावरा।
रह
Yes.
के समुंदर में रह के मगरमच्छ से नहीं डरते, something like that, no?
No, that's wrong. Diggy, you want to try?
What is the like question
Staying
क्या
in
है?
water, don't be enemy
it's
of the
a
crocodile. उसका मुहावरा
yeah, इसका हिंदी
you
मुहावरा
want.
बताओ. Staying in water, don't be enemy of crocodile.
ओ अच्छा, पानी में मगरमच्छ दुश्मनी मोड़ते हैं।
So both of you are almost there, but because the translation will
मुहावरा
give you
is
the almost answer, I won't give points because it's a
yeah,
muhavra.
of course,
It
of course,
is
of course,
पानी
of
में
course.
रहकर मगरमच्छ से बैर.
हाँ, okay,
Okay.
ठीक
fine.
है.
नहीं देनी भी नहीं चाहिए इसकी।
Okay. Diggy, your turn to pick.
We actors कौन सा बचा है? 20, 30
Actors
बचा
का
है?
20 बचा है.
Actors 20. Let's see.
Okay, actors 20. Whose cameo in this film was also his Bollywood debut?
अबे कैसे बात कर रहे हो?
I know this answer.
विशाल डडलानी?
No.
He's come before क्या? Okay, I don't know. बताओ.
Preeti?
You
Abraham.
knew this answer.
Yes, Abraham is the
Abraham.
right answer. Preeti gets 20 points for that.
It
And
was
the
such a cute
fight
scene.
is getting closer. Preeti is at 50 points and Diggy is at 70. So one question can make
Oh.
or break. And Preeti,
Okay.
your turn to pick.
Actor 10.
Actors is
हो
over.
गया actor 10.
Dialogues is
Actors
over.
is over.
अच्छा हो गया.
हाँ.
Okay, music 10.
Music 10. Who are the music directors of the film soundtrack?
Vishal Shekhar.
Yep, Vishal Shekhar is the right answer. And Diggy, your turn.
Nonsense 10 बचा है क्या? नहीं.
Nonsense 10 बचा है.
Okay, nonsense 10.
Buffalo going in blue water.
गई भैंस पानी में.
Yeah, गई भैंस पानी में is the right answer.
मेरी भी गई लग रहा है अब तो मेरी भी भैंस गई पानी में.
Okay,
God.
and that is nonsense 10 done. Wait, Preeti, you answered the music director question, right? Sorry, I didn't write down
I
the score.
did.
Take it, 10 for that. Okay, Preeti, there are 3 questions
Disha,
left to
wait.
choose
Yeah,
from.
just tell like what questions are left and
Yeah,
score
yeah.
क्या so that people also know.
So music 30 is left, dance 10 and 30 are left. Currently Preeti is at 60 points and Diggy is at 80 points.
Preeti, music 30 is your thing, yaar. What are you doing? Go for it.
यार मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि चलो ठीक है. म्यूजिक 30 मैंने गलत बताया ना कि हो गया नहीं हुआ.
Music 31
That's
ही है
it.
अभी.
चलो करो फिर करते हैं.
That's your thing. Come on.
Okay. Name any 3 songs that are not from the soundtrack that appeared in the movie.
कैसे याद होगा यार ये बोलो ठीक है आपको आता है. Name any 3
नहीं.
songs माने they are not original
मतलब
songs of the movie.
They are either English songs or old Bollywood or previous Bollywood songs that made an appearance in the movie, either via instrumental or lyrical.
Okay. So मोहब्बतें.
Yes.
Then the Om Shanti Om.
Yes.
ओम शांति ओम कौन सा है?
Om
Yeah.
Shanti
आता है
Om
क्या?
in the song. हाँ they
कौन
do
सा
this.
गाना आता है?
And uh,
You have to name the
हम
song.
इंडिया वाले उसमें there is this part where they do.
I don't think so.
What are you talking
अरे
about?
हाँ
नहीं.
जो वो पार्टी वाला सॉन्ग है जिसमें वो ब्लू ड्रेस पहन के आती है गाउन
हाँ
पहन
तो
के आती है
कौन सा
उसमें.
गाना आता है?
अच्छा ओम शांति ओम का कौन सा गाना
हाँ
आता है?
हाँ
हाँ.
मैं अगर कहूँ ना.
Wrong.
रुक जा
हाँ.
एक सेकेंड. वाओ मेरा ब्लैंक हो गया दिमाग एकदम से.
कोई
एक
नहीं
तो मैं तीसरा बता देती हूँ कि वो है आ देखे जरा किसमें कितना है
No.
दम.
So that song doesn't appear. They use
subtitles appear.
they use the subtitles of that song. So you get 10 points for this question. And it passes to Diggy.
Okay.
Diggy, you can guess 2 songs if you know.
दास्तान दास्तान ओम शांति ओम.
No, that's also wrong.
It comes. We discussed about it.
No,
You
you have one more guess.
Okay, one more guess. Okay.
Nothing? Drawing a blank?
Mostly.
He doesn't get it. Will you give a hint?
नहीं, I'll not give a hint for this one because ये काफी guesses फालतू हो चुके हैं. I'll
Reduce
show
हो
the
गया काफी.
because there are many
Yeah.
songs, so I will reveal the answer. And
हाँ.
Eye of the
Yeah, कैसे
Tiger,
reveal? I don't know.
ताल से ताल, मेरा प्यार
Eye of the
शालीमार, अजब
Eye of the
सी,
tiger.
ममैया केरो 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 मम्मा, and Kung Fu Fighting. So there were plenty of
Kung
songs.
Fu Fighting. हाँ ये तो मुझे
Yeah.
याद था. ये I had noticed. बाकी and Eye of the Tiger. बाकी I didn't.
I remember ताल से ताल and like ओम शांति मुझे याद ही नहीं आ रहा था कौन सा गाना है. Brain freeze, but okay. Great
Okay, cool.
questions.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
80, 70, is it?
It is now, yes, 80, 70. Back to game
What
board.
is left?
Diggy, you can choose from dance 10 and dance 30.
So if I choose dance 30 and if I get it, I know, but if Preeti gets it, तो हो जाएगा ना. But अगर मैं 10 किया तो I don't know. Dance 10 and dance 30 ना. कैसे आएगा यार मुझे dance का कुछ भी. I'm horrible at it.
Try
But
कर
ठीक है.
लो.
चलो ठीक है. Dance ठीक है. Fuck it, dance 30. Let's see.
Okay, dance 30. मोहिनी का डांस दुनिया में सिर्फ 2 लोगों को आता है. कौन है वो दोनों?
Shakira and J-Lo.
Yes, that is the
Yo!
right answer. And that gets you 30
Okay.
points.
God, कुछ तो
And
फायदा है मूवी इतना देखने का ये रैंडम डायलॉग याद आता है मुझे. दिस इज गुड, डायलॉग वाले दिया करो. वो चिपक जाते हैं.
Preeti,
चलो ये
last
कर
one,
देते हैं.
Dance 10.
ठीक है.
Before they became Team India, what were they called?
Diamonds.
Yes, Team
Team
प्रीति
Diamonds is
कितने
the correct
डिसअपॉइंटेड है यार.
answer.
She's like, अरे छोड़ो.
Okay,
Oh
and
God.
that brings us to the end of this format of the quiz, which I hope you guys liked. I had a lot of fun
It
putting
was
together.
damn fun. This was damn fun. You know what? You know what, Diksha? You should do this. We should host this quiz. Like, we
I
should
will, I
have
will.
like, we should have 10, 15 people come from Twitter, Reddit, whatever. We should host this quiz. This is
I'm
so much fun.
down. I will do it.
Yeah, for
I'll hold
sure.
it
Let's
in
do this.
rounds also.
Like, पक्का. Like, ये तो करना ही चाहिए. This is a wonderful format. Jeopardy, Bollywood Jeopardy. We can do.
Yeah, actually, the
तो ना
Jeopardy format that I was
disappoint feel
seeing,
कर रही हूँ.
the Jeopardy format that I was seeing has a buzzer also. So, like if Preeti picks dance 20, the question is displayed and then anybody can buzz. But I thought वो ज़्यादा हो जाएगा हमारे लिए, so मैं बोला ये easy है, ये करते हैं. And I thought Preeti had an edge because she started and there were an odd number of questions. But ठीक है. And Diggy wins by 30-40 point margin. I don't know, I'm not counting right now.
40 points.
Okay, Diggy's keeping
110 and
track.
70.
Whatever. I knew हम जानते हो मेरे को गाय
चल ठीक है, तेरे को उसके 10 पॉइंट्स दे भी दिए मैंने तो फिर भी हार
प्रीति
रही
हर
है.
बार बोलती है मेरे को पता था ना, बट मेरे को पता तो था, तो मुझे पॉइंट दे दो ना. It's such a
I'm a
Preeti.
sore loser, as you can guess.
Wow.
Tell everybody. But yes. Now you get to
Cool.
choose my movie from the 90s, and then I will say no, even if it is right.
I'll go first.
Okay.
Is it is it Ram Jaane that we're watching next week?
Is it duplicate?
Both of you are wrong.
कितनी खुश है प्रीति.
Preeti's like, I win.
Watching.
I win.
I
कौन
win.
सी?
Both of you lose. I win.
We're watching that.
Dar.
Oh my
Nice.
God. Wow, that's a legend team.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really want to like talk about it.
I love
So,
how we're
yeah,
all on the
watch.
same wavelength because we all had Juhi movies in mind.
Nice. Cool, cool,
Yes,
cool. So
so
next week we do Dur.
this
Awesome.
was very fun. Very
Yeah, this
fun.
quiz was damn fun.
Thanks, guys. Finally, one good quiz for Deeksha. Yay.
वैसे now I'm just like कि next week मेरे को quiz बनाना होगा, ये सब नहीं होगा मेरे से. Shit, the bar's too high. But okay, I will do something. You see. But anyway, thanks for listening, everybody. Thanks for just like listening till here. So see you again.
All right.
Bye.
See ya.
Bye-bye.
Bye.